Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to enable the little shortcut button from where you can access a lot of functions. So here is a Redmi Note 15 5G. It's the same also for other Redmi phones. And to enable that little shortcut button on this phone, it is very easy. For that you need to go to settings and here swipe and tap on additional settings. Here we have accessibility and go to accessibility menu and here tap on it to enable this button. Now swipe and tap allow, and here is the little button, and you can customize it, and you can select between button and gestures. I will let button, and also you can increase the size, and you can enable or disable fade when not in use, and increase or decrease transparency. Now I will exit. Here is the button, and if you tap on it, from here you can power off your phone, you can adjust the volume, see the recent calls, lock the screen, see the notifications, take a screenshot, or access Google Assistant. So we have a lot of features here, and it is very useful, this little button, to access quickly some functions. So this was my video for today. I hope to be useful for you. If you like my type of content, you can subscribe to my channel, and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.